So today, okay, so today we are at the pumpkin patch. It's my first time taking this to the pumpkin patch. I don't know why it's so dark, the lighting when we up under the tree.
At the pumpkin patch, and we will have some pumpkins.
So me and the boys just came out to the pumpkin patch. So I guess I'll just bring y'all along so y'all can see how they go.
The bush that ate a fly.
Alright y'all, so far it is very hot. It was a little pricey to get in here. It was $36 for me and the boys. And I'm not really seeing what the supply was so far, so hopefully it gets better. Right now they just jumping on this little thing. But yeah, I think because we got here so early they're not done setting up, but we'll see. Come along. Two, three, go. Do it again. Y'all, we went through the corn maze. We found our way out. RJ is done. He said he don't want to go through the corn maze no more. Honey, it's so hot out here. So now we're trying to look for pumpkins. We over here by like a little pumpkin, the pumpkin patchy part right here. But, honey, I need some bigger pumpkins. They said it's a farm. RJ, y'all come back this way. I think we gotta catch the little thing down this way.
I'm not going back in there.
I think we gotta go through the corn maze. Y'all look at RJ's face.
No, I'm not going back in there.
Y'all, they gonna have to come up with something better now. $36. They gotta come up with something better.
I ain't going back in there.
Listen, they done showed out there. I'm not okay with this. And we have to go do some more stuff because we're not finna leave this early. We ain't even been out here for an hour. Y'all, look, I never seen corn grow like this. This is so weird. I never seen corn grow at the ground. I only seen it in the grocery store. This is so neat to me. Look at RJ's face, y'all, because he hide. RJ. You need to get it together today, sir. Get it together.
This maze is so...
Okay, well, once we make it out this maze, we're gonna try to see if we can find something else.
We have to go all over there. I think that's dangerous to do.
Alright, y'all, so now we're on a hayride. We did the corn maze. RJ was kind of
mad.
Yeah, he was mad. So now we're on the hayride.
I hate the maze because I'm looking. See, show them how much that maze have. Show them.
Well, I showed them some of the corn maze who was on it. Who was in it.
Show them the outside.
So, we're gonna go pick up some pumpkins and stuff. So now we're on the hay.
Show them.
On the tractor trailer.
Show them. Look at that big old maze. Like, I would have got tired. Like, I would be so tired. Like, you don't know how.
So the kids wanted to come. It's like a little playground right here they have, because they have like a little shopping center where you can go buy honey and jam and look at the pumpkins. You can go pet the animals and all that stuff like that. But my kids decided they wanted to come over here and play on the playground for a minute. So that's what they're doing, and other people is over there like with the animals and stuff. So once they get done here, then we'll probably go over to the other way. Y'all look, RJ had his head on me on the hay ride, because it was a good little hay ride, long little hay ride. And look at this. Got all that stuff all on my shirt, and I got big old, I don't know if it's sweat in his head or what, child. Or is it the grease? Got my shoulder all wet. Look crazy, honey. But that's what we're doing. I ain't gonna lie, I'm hot. Maybe should have did this somewhere in November-ish when it was a little cooler, because it is hot in September still.
Oh my God,
but just gonna let the kids play. Just get them something to do and get out the house, because we've been in the house for a minute, so just let them get out for a while.
It feels so hot.
Okay, stop it. Come on.
Let's see another one. Let's do that down here.
Kind of the very first day probably wasn't the greatest idea. Well, the guy told us a bunch of people didn't show up. So.
Oh my God, Mommy! Over here. They are so cute.
Wait a minute.
Addie Grace, what are you doing, baby? Yeah. You see the sheep?
Oh, okay. Where's RJ?
What do you see?
Jeremiah, don't let it get close to your face.
There's a tree house.
Yes, I do. I want to pet it.
Look at him. He just left the little animal school. Oh, she's okay.
That little tree house is so fun.
I've never seen it. You want to pet the sheep? Watch out.
Jeremiah, you gotta share. They want to touch too.
You gotta share the sheep.
Yes, Jeremiah.
Here, go up right here.
Come on, you gotta share. Scoot over.
And see if you can put your hand first.
Look at them up there. Look at him up there. He said he itching. I'm itching. No, you cannot open that up.
Yes, you can.
No, you cannot. You're not supposed to. Stop it. Come on. RJ, Jeremiah, are you saying excuse me? Don't look at the local raw hunty.
Mom, that looks so scary. Mom, that looks so scary.
Wow.
It's not real. It's so. Mom, why does it got to be this?
Wow. They're making honey.
When the animals killed you, they're not liable.
I didn't see.
Hey, Grace,
But we
get
need
back
to
out of there.
get
You're getting dirty.
RJ, well, hey. Look.
That's the Johnny from Shrek. Mom, I see the one from Shrek.
I don't think that's the one from Shrek.
It's over there.
Say that's the one from Shrek, y'all.
That one looks like it.
Oh. Look at him.
Dang, that's a big doggy right there.
That's okay. Uh-oh. I'm back. Yes.
Where's the fat dog?
Jeremiah, be a little careful right here. You don't want to hurt your hand. I can't slide you down here. So look, y'all, Jeremiah finna go down this big slide. He went down this other one and he was like, it wasn't scary. So here he go. Let me go and get him together.
No.
That's fine. Let RJ go first, Jeremiah, because he's the one who picked it.
You can be loud. You can be loud. You can be loud.
It's pretty loud.
They're shooting corn.
Alright, here. He's going first. Alright, you're going to stand up here and aim with it. So you point it up, and then you're going to hit this red button right there, okay?
That was loud.
Alright, one more.
Let's see if he get it.
That scared me. I like jumps.
Y'all, I'm tired. We've been out here for some hours now. And I'm tired, but the boys do not want to go home yet. They're back here somewhere playing with some sand. I'm actually really tired, and my eye is starting to itch. I think I'm well overdue for a bath at this point. Food in my belly, because all we did was I made breakfast this morning, and we haven't ate lunch yet. So I'm really just ready to go. All right, y'all, we are back home. We are in the car. Jeremiah is not down asleep. RJ is up still. He's tired, but we finna go in that house. We all need a shower. We all need a shower. And then we gotta figure out what we're gonna eat. So I might take a shower. Jeremiah not down asleep, but I might have to get him redressed and something else after he got the shower, so we can go out of the store. We cannot stop by the store the way we were, because I feel like we was just dirty and sweaty and nasty. They was playing in the sandbox. Look at him. He was whining when we was leaving because he had sand was in his eye. So I had to use a water bottle to get sand out of his eye. Like, he's tired. And we are definitely finna get ready to take a shower. And then we gotta figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner.
And y'all, wait. We're inside the maze. I was so mad because it was so long. Mom made us start over again so it can go a different way.
Yeah, I wanted to see if we was gonna come out a different way at the corn maze, but we ended up, well, we did come out on a different end. But that second time we went in, we got lost a little bit. But let me go ahead and get us in this house, honey, because I'm a sweaty, nasty, hot mess, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we back. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day, and I did not finish recording last night because after we ate, me and the boys ended up just watching movies or whatever, so I did not finish recording. But today I'm out and about. We at Walmart finna get some stuff so I can cook dinner, and that's all we're gonna really do today. Do dinner. Jeremiah is working on like a little workbook and everything like that, and that's it. So I guess I'm gonna end this vlog now because I'm not really gonna do anything serious today. So y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.